afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2016 Porsche Panamera 4. It's finished in black. Active rear spoiler. Start up here on the passenger front wheel, really good shape. A little bit of curb rash there on the top of the lip. And back here to the passenger rear. This one's in really good shape as well. There's a few little light spots right there on the lip, but that's about it. You'll notice a little bit of discoloration here to the colored Porsche center caps. And over here to the driver rear, really good shape, very minimal scuffing there on the very edge of that lip. That's really about it for this wheel. Again, a little bit of discoloration there to the Porsche crest on that center cap. And last but not least, up here to the driver front. This one has the most damage. See the curb rash there on the edge of the wheel. Take it to the interior, black leather interior. This is equipped with both premium audio. Do have the Porsche crest in the headrest. And dual zone climate control back here for the rear passengers. Does include the heated seat, 3-stage. Power adjustable driver and passenger seat. You do have lumbar support, and you do have the adjustable knee bolsters. Three-stage heated front seats and 3-stage perforated seats up front here. 7-speed automatic PDK transmission. And you can see the odometer there reads 65,502. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.